Well guys, today we're going to be replacing this plastic cover that goes over this area right here. And here's the cover itself. There's the part number. I bought this vehicle and never had the cover, so I did some research and finally found out what it was, and here it is. So if you look on the back side, we have two areas here on the top with these metal clips, and on the bottom this plastic piece which goes in that slot right below that screw, and up top there, that's where that clip goes, as well as over here. So you simply just take the cover and slide it into place. Make sure that that bottom is lined up first, and then just give it one nice little push, a firm push, and it should snap in like so. That looks a lot better. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and please check out all of my other Volkswagen videos. See you in the next one. Take care.